B Agro Milling Pvt Limited was established by Shri Banarsi Das Jindal with the processing of red lentils, masoor, in national capital Delhi in the year 1997. Then in the first plan of expansion in Bina, Madhya Pradesh, we are working under the brand name Paras Pulses. During the first phase of expansion of business in Madhya Pradesh, the company started processing chana, and then afterward in the second phase, Moong process was added to the work portfolio. The company established itself with a significant difference in the market. We are processing our products with a complete automatic plants with the excellent facilities of transportation and logistics implementation. We have a huge warehouse to store more than 14,000 metric ton of food grain. We also avail the silos to store about 7,500 metric ton of consistent quality products all throughout the year. The company has got many certificates like Orthodox Union and FSSC 22,000 for its excellent work in the industry. We are serving our products with a complete research and development about the advancements and market trends. We are having a tie-up with world's leading food processing machinery manufacturers expert, Buller Group of Switzerland, while ensuring the adaptation of latest and advanced technologies. The company is fully equipped with quality processing department, ensuring quality products tested at our own state-of-the-art laboratory in our plants. All food safety standards are followed thoroughly in the company. The range of our products involve Besan, Chana Dal, Moong Dal and Masoor Dal. The workforce of 150 skilled personnel are involved in the making of these products and supplying them to a wide range of our valued clients like Balaji Wafers, Haldiram's Nagpur, Tata Chemicals Limited, Cheda Specialities, Mahesh Namkeen, Future Consumer Limited, Khushal Namkeen and Best Price. Our plants are processing more than 400 metric ton of raw material every day with an approximate turnover of more than 300 crores in the last financial year. B Agro Milling Pvt Limited is serving its best in the market to satisfy its clients and customers with their standard expectations. Today, while we are celebrating 22 years, it is important to say a special thanks to all our customers who helped us reach this level.